I'm Tammy from DeSoto Parish Library, Stonewall Branch. Please bear with us. This is new to us. We're doing a virtual craft, and I'm going to show you how to make a rag wreath. It's very simple. All you need is one of the wire frames, and I got the flour sack towels from Walmart. You can get 5 in a package. And you need scissors, and that's it. Maybe a little something to adorn it with. But the first thing you do is you get each one of the flour sack towels, and I cut the end of it off because it's got a little seam to the top and the bottom. I cut them off, and then I go down. You cut them about, nothing has to be exact on this, because believe me, it's a rag wreath, rough looking. So I cut a little bitty piece, about an inch, inch and a half, and you just strip them. You just sit there and strip them, and you keep just tearing the strips. Plain and simple. It's easy. And then you get them, and what I did is I would stick them together like this. I'm at each end, and I would kind of fold them about 3 ways, because I try and make at least 3 cuts off of it, and it's about 6, 8 inches, something like that. And you cut them, and then you cut them again, and like I said, it's not precise. Nothing is accurate on that, and that's the good thing. And then you have your strips like this. And all you do is you get your wreath like this, and you double your piece of material like this. You go under it and make a little knot. Come through and make a knot. I'll show you one more time. And you just keep going around and around. You get this, you double it, you get your wreath, you go under, over, and then you pull it through like that, and you make your knot. And you just continue to do it. And I made mine, it was really tight. I would go, it's got these little bars, I would fill them all the way up real tight before I'd move on. But you just do it like this, pull it through, and make your little knot. And then, simple. After you do that all the way around, I put a little rose on mine because I did it a while back. But you could easily just buy these for $1, make it a red, white, and blue for the upcoming 4th of July or anything like that, and just tape it on it and make it however you'd like to make it. But we're going to start doing this a little bit each month at all the branches. So y'all need to like our Facebook page. Each branch has one. And go on our website, and you can click on our YouTube channel, because this is going to be on YouTube, our website, and our Facebook pages. You can go to any of them and log on, like them, and sign up and be able to watch all of these. And we're going to have all kinds of tips each month. We're going to have book talks. We're going to have tips. All branches are. So it's really going to be interesting. And if you have any questions, you have any suggestions, please give us a call. You can call me at our branch at 925-9191, and we'll be more than happy to listen to it, take your suggestions, and help us any way you can. Because like I said, this is new to us, and we're just learning. So please bear with us, and we will see you next month. Thank you.